Hi, I am here from KodiLearn. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download WPLMS Learning Management System theme for free. So if you do not know, WPLMS is also one of the most popular and most selling WordPress LMS theme. So you can create lots of LMS website using this theme. As you can see, this theme is about 23,000 times and its rating is 4.49. Means you can obviously see that how much popular is it, and it comes with Zoom integration also, and here are lots of features like drag and drop PDF certificate builder. You can just also provide the certificates to your students. There are lots of features like instant quiz answers, Ajax login and registration link, dynamic quizzes, mega menu, microservices, and lots of others. So it comes with lots of demo website also that you can obviously import it, and with demo website you can obviously edit your website easily. So let me show you the demo website. So as you can see, this comes with lots of demo website, and all the demo website looks so cool, and it is very powerful theme, as you can see here. So let me show you one of the demo website. So let me show you this demo website. So as you can see, this is the demo website. It comes with search bar, because in LMS site the search bar is really important and you must have. And when you click on the login, so it comes pop-up login, and here is the cart icon. Also you can integrate with WooCommerce, and here is the category, which means this is the mega menu. As you can see, you can create mega menu easily, and this is the demo website. And as you can see, when you scroll down, as you can see, this color is also changed and this is sticky. So here, as you can see, its course grid is very cool, and here, as you can see, this is the demo website, as you can see. So let me show you the course. So this course grid is really attractive. As you can see, when I click on the course info, so it will load with the preloader effect. And here, as you can see, this is the course page, means here many people can buy. So as you can see, this comes with the software training, means title and image and take this course, and what does it includes, instructors and related course. And this is the carousel, and here they show description, and here is the course lessons, and here is the review section also. So review section is also important in the LMS website. So when I click on any of the lesson, means you can obviously have free and paid courses, and you can obviously distribute some lesson for free, so that user without login can also see that lesson. So this is the lesson page, as you can see. So it looks pretty cool. You can obviously get lots of professional website using this theme. So let me show you how you can download this theme. So you will get this file in the description. Just extract it, right click and just click on extract here, and let me show you, this is this, and it is about 112 MB I think, because of these child themes. And this is the theme file. So let me show you by installing, upload theme, and let me drag and drop. Let me activate it. So if you are new in our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to get more themes and plugins for free like this, then please comment down below. And if you're having any problem while installing this theme, then you can also comment down below or contact at KodiLearn@gmail.com. So let me install all of these required plugins. It is saying to that it's required. So as you can see, these are all the, some are the required and some are the recommended. So I recommend you to install most of these plugins. So I'll install all of these by quickly install. So it will take some time. As you can see, all the plugins are 17 plugins, so it may take some time, so I'm going to skip this video. So as you can see, all of these required plugins are installed successfully. So now all the plugins are installed. So let me show how can install the demo content, and here is the WPLMS new option. So let me click on the getting started, and here is the customizer option, means you can obviously customize your website with this. So let me click on the demo switch to just quickly install some of the main demo website. So there are lots of demo website in that you can import. So in this I'm going to just choose this one. You can obviously choose home page only or import customizer. So let me import customizer. So it is completed. So let me click on import home page. So let me refresh here. So now as you can see, home page is successfully imported. As you can see, the home page is successfully imported, and now you can obviously edit this page with Elementor. So here as you can see, this is loading the Elementor. So I have not created any courses, so you can obviously create easily, and this theme is made with Elementor, so you can obviously every single part of this page means home page using the Elementor. So you can just type anything that you want with the Elementor. So let me close this and let me show you how you can just create a course. So let me click on the course manager. So I recommend you to watch any other YouTube videos because this is not a full complete tutorial. When you click on the course manager, it will tell you which is the course page and which is the edit course page, and it is telling me a lot of page. So I have not created, so I'm going to quickly create all of these pages. So I have quickly created all of the pages. So let me choose all of these pages and let me save it. So here comes lots of different customization, means course block style or course grid style, and here are lots of options that you can obviously change by coming here. So let me see how I can create one course. Just click on this LMS and all courses. So I have not created any courses, so let me click on add new. So I'm going to just name it simple, and you can obviously have any description if you want. So here is the course sidebar to choose. You can choose any sidebar you want, but I recommend you to choose course sidebar. And here is unique, and here are lots of options that you can see, and you can obviously give certificate after it, and you need to create certificate for that. And it comes with lots of features. So is it free course? So let me just click here, and you can obviously change if you want. Let me click on publish. So let me click on the course. So as you can see, this is the course page, and here comes with curriculum, members, activity, all of this. So as you can see, our course is created, so we have not added any curriculum here. So let me add quickly all units. Let me click on add new, and let me just random title and just random description, and I'm going to just make it free so that the user can watch it without logging in. There are lots of options, so you can connect with any assignment, and you can choose background image and lots of options. So let me publish it. So in this way you can create a simple course and unit. So I recommend you to watch any other video. So this is not a full complete tutorial. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to get more themes and plugins for free like this, then you can obviously comment down below. I'll try to create video on that. And if you are having any problem while installing this thing, then comment down below. I'll quickly reply you as soon as I get your comment. And I hope this video was helpful, and please like this video. And I always create video related to paid themes and plugins for free, so you can quickly check it out on our channel. So thank you for this video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.